Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match preview time. Kaizer Chiefs versus Marumo Gallants Wednesday evening at what's this stadium, man? What's this stadium in Bloemfontein? Yeah, whatever it is. We must go out there and collect 3 points. We're playing against a struggling team and we've been doing quite well. They are currently sitting 12th on the log. In the last 5, they've lost 3 and drew 2. So this is a game we should win, mate. If we want to be up there, if we want to compete for the title, these are the games we should be winning. Marumo Gallants held us to a 1-0 draw in the first leg at the FNB Stadium. We scored first and we let them come back to the game, and they ended up getting an equalizer. So this is a must win. We should go out there and win this game. We have all the confidence. Two wins in a row. No, one in the league, one in the CAF Confed, which was our first in the tournament. So let's go out there with the same intensity. Yeah, I like the intensity we put out against Zesco. The physicality was top. So let's go out there aggressive. Go with this man. Let's attack and let's. You know what I hate about this Kaizer Chiefs team is if we score one goal, yeah, even if we score in the second minute of the game, the whole 88 minutes will be just sitting back and letting them play. That's how we let teams back into the games. That's what we did against Marumo Gallants. We scored in the first half and we started retreating, and they ended up getting a goal. They gained momentum, they gained confidence. So let's score one and let's go out there again with the same intensity. This is the lineup I've gone with. This is the predicted starting 11 in goal. Brendan Peterson, of course. On the right, Thabiso Mnyane. He didn't start against Zesco. So I think because Solomons was hooked right on half time, I think Thabiso Mnyane is going to go back there. And I'd prefer him to start. On the left, Aiden McCarthy is going back. He's been solid in the last 2 games. And of course, the centre back pairing of Inacio Miguel and Zichakwinika, they've been doing well. We've been collecting those clean sheets under their leadership, so no reason to change there. There's no time for rotation. Yeah, let's keep our best players on the pitch. Then in the middle of the park, Spesihle Ndlovu and Lebohang Maboe, they've been playing well in the last 2 games. They've been dominant. So I think they are a great combination. They play together at Maritzburg, so you can see, man, the combination is there. So we are going back with those 2, and as the number 10, Miles started as the 10 against Zesco. Nowhere to be seen, stinker and hooked right on half time. So I'm expecting to see Tutusi Shabalala starting again. He's our best player in that position. It's clear. On the right, Mfundo Vilakazi. He didn't have a good game against Zesco because the game was too physical. It was a scrappy game. But on this one, I think it's going to be very, very crucial. So he starts on the right. On the left, Pule Modi is going to start. Scored a goal, of course, against Zesco. Played well against Golden Arrows defensively. So he's going back there. And then up front, I think Flavio Silva is going back again. Also, didn't have a great game against. No one had a great game, in fact, against Zesco. It was a terrible game. I think he's going to go back there. So that's the predicted starting 11, and I think we are going to win this game 1-0. 1-0. Yeah, 1-0. We are not going to concede. We shouldn't concede against Marumo Gallants. Definitely. We are not letting this man score. It's going to be a difficult game, more especially in that stadium. It's a small stadium and the pitch is not as good as FNB. It's a bit bumpy and stuff, so it's going to be a very, very difficult game. But I think we are going to pull this one. I think we are going to come back with the 3 points. So 2-0 to Kaizer Chiefs. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.